the new pediatric intensive care era. Body weight is an essential parameter, but difficult to measure in bedridden patients. With Hero's weighing system, a simple touch on the display is all it takes to measure weight in real time. Hero is equipped with a series of LEDs located at the foot of the bed and on the sides that signal the status of the bed and any dangerous situations to operators. To reduce the risk of falls from the bed, Hero allows operators to monitor patient exit, which, combined with other available information such as the status of the side rails, the application of brakes, and the minimum height of the bed, helps to ensure maximum patient safety. Malvestio, close to the people.